Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to increase the volume in Audacity. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Audacity application on your computer and load the audio file you want to work with. Once your audio file is loaded and visible in the workspace, you'll need to select the entire audio track. You can do this by pressing Ctrl+A on your keyboard or simply double-click anywhere on the audio waveform. Either method will highlight the entire track, indicating that it's ready for editing. Now that your audio is selected, direct your attention to the top toolbar of the Audacity interface. You'll see several menu options there. Go ahead and click on the one labeled Effect. This menu contains all the various audio effects and modifications you can apply to your recordings. After clicking Effect, a drop-down menu will appear with numerous options. Move your mouse cursor over the option that says Volume and Compression. When you hover over it, a secondary menu will slide out to the side. From this secondary menu, select Amplify. This is the tool that will allow you to boost the volume of your audio track. Once you click Amplify, a new window will pop up displaying the amplification settings. In this window, you'll see a slider that you can use to control how much you want to increase the volume. Click on the slider and drag it to the right to raise the volume level. As you move the slider, you'll notice the decibel value changing, giving you precise control over how much amplification you're applying to your audio. Before you commit to these changes, it's important to hear how your audio will sound. Look for the button labeled Preview in the Amplify window and click on it. This will play a short sample of your audio with the new volume settings applied, allowing you to test whether the increase sounds good or if it's too much. Listen carefully to make sure the audio isn't distorted or too loud. If you're happy with how the preview sounds and the volume level meets your needs, go ahead and click the Apply button located in the bottom right corner of the Amplify window. This will permanently apply the volume increase to your selected audio track. The amplification will be processed and your audio will now be louder than before. And that's it. You've successfully increased the volume of your audio in Audacity, making your recordings clearer and more audible. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.